there. Oh, oh, thanks. First try. Well, the Supra is delivered. Look at that. I've been waiting 2 weeks for this. I didn't even check up. I didn't even go and see this car before I bought it. Blocking the traffic here, better move it. Ah, let's see what's it like inside. Well, so far so good. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, it even comes with the cup holders. I've always wanted one with a cup holder. My last Supra didn't have that. It was missing. And I've been searching high and low for a new one, a replacement, and I can't find it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at the Ks. 168,000. I hope they're true. Radio's on. It's making a funny noise. Alright, switch that thing off. Switch that thing off. Got people coming to have a look around, man. People having a look. Neighbors. People coming out. Yeah, so I've taken delivery of my new Supra, and I must say I'm more than happy actually. It's for what I paid for this one, with all the paint already been done for me already. It's not in perfect condition, but for what I paid for this is exactly what I was expecting. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. So I'm gonna stand back and have a look from a bit further back. Look at that. Supra number 2. Look at that thing. Look at this. It's got lumbar support for your seats, and it actually, you know, hugs you right in the sides, right about here. You feel these bolsters, these side bolsters, they actually move in and out when I press a button. I'm gonna see if I can press a button, see if it'll move. Have a look at that. They're moving out, and that's as far as they go. Moving in. And that is a true bucket seat, man. I believe these were made by Recaro. I think they were designed by Recaro, specifically for Toyota, but they don't have any Recaro logos on them or anything. But they're really buckety, I'm telling you. These bucket seats. The only thing close to this is probably like a GTR Skyline R32. It's pretty buckety. It's pretty buckety. They still got the plastic on them. You know, when they delivered it, they obviously had the thing wrapped up a little bit so that it wouldn't dirty the thing. It's got one imperfection, which is that on the seat. I was made aware before I purchased the vehicle. The owner was very honest and he did tell me about that, but the back seats are perfect. All I can do is probably just give them a steam clean. Now this, have a look at this seat. This is when Toyota really made a good car. I think this car is my favorite Toyota of all time, is a Toyota Supra. And now look at this seat here. It's even got electric. Look at that. It goes backwards. It goes forwards and back. And then it's got tilt up, tilt down, tilt down, tilt up at the back as well. Look at that. Toyota really made a good car. I think this is the best Toyota of all time, really, honestly. I don't think there's any other Toyota that beats this one in terms of style. And there's just so many things about it. I'm gonna try and cover a lot of them in my next videos, but you know, to me this is the best. And this thing here, the digital dash, when was the last time you saw a Toyota Supra with a digital dash? I'm gonna switch this one off. It's got electric windows, automatic electric windows, and also they've installed a central locking system on this one, aftermarket, so that's another bonus. Needs a wash. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna check out the exhaust system on this one. I believe they've changed the exhaust as well, so it's got a bigger, yep, it's got a bigger exhaust. And it's got a downpipe installed at the back of the turbo. It's got the original CT26 turbo as well. This is exactly like the other one. Really nice. It's original. Yeah, it's got an upgrade with the fan shroud. The radiator fans have been changed. It used to have a big fan that connects directly to the power, to the water pump. It's been removed, and it's got electric fans, radiator fans with the shroud as well, which is a good thing. You need that. Helps with the cooling system. Air conditioning working. I like what they've done with the brake. With the brakes, they've painted the brakes. Looks neat. It's got staggered wheels. You got 2 35, 45, 17 at the back with a deep dish there. they're both dished. And at the front, 235, 45, 17. Hang on. Oh, they're the same tire size, just a different rim. Just a different offset on the rim. Okay, that makes sense.